Hey guys, it's Randa here, and so many of you have asked me for a tutorial on how I curl my short hair. So I thought I would curl it on camera for you guys. This video is only a little less than 4 minutes, but it did take me right about 10 minutes to do this, start to finish. You'll notice like my hair is a little crazy in places. I let it air dry. I didn't even bother with blow drying it today, so you'll see the waves show up in different ways where I wasn't actually working real hard to brush it and keep it smooth. So I start with part of it clipped up and clipped out of the way. I'm going to slow curl down for you here in a second so you can get a really good idea of just what it is I'm doing. Okay, so right here, I'll slow this down for you. I clamp close at the base of my hair, like where it comes from the scalp. Spin it around a little bit, but I make sure to leave the little pieces of hair hanging out at the end. And then slide that out and pull the ends straight. And this is what I'm doing all around my head and just going back and forth all different directions. So when I get to the top, I start back here in the back and make sure I'm still taking vertical sections. Give it a bit, 5 seconds, something like that, to make sure that that curl gets really evenly distributed. The heat gets distributed evenly throughout the hair. And I just start working my way towards the front in sections that I have not yet curled, alternating curling back away from my face and then curling towards my face. So right here at this curl by my face, I am going to clip it up and make sure it's up high and lots of volume, and then spray it with hairspray. Let that whole side cool like that, so that when I take it out of the clip, the hairspray and the cooling will give me mega volume for this look. Okay, so that gets that all wrapped up. Unplug the curling iron, get it out of the way. Good hairspray all over. And then I'm getting my favorite short hair go-to, our taffy. Smooth it through all the curls. This is basically like a movable, pliable liquid hairspray. Shake it all around, get it crazy, get it messy. One last good spray of the hairspray, and you are good to go.